So for today, I need you guys to read an article and then make a quiz. And you may be thinking right now, he said quiz, he said quiz. He said whenever we take a quiz, we're going to call it a celebration of knowledge. He's going to do the thing with his hands. Oh, you weren't listening. I said we're going to read an article and then you are going to make a quiz. It's going to be on you. So the article that we're going to read is called Why Stories Matter. And in this article, they give 6 different reasons why stories matter. From you, I'm going to need 6 different multiple choice questions, one for each one of those reasons. Now, here's some parameters. They have to be multiple choice questions with a minimum of 3 choices of an answer for each question. You cannot do true and false questions. You can't do yes, no, maybe questions, which I've gotten in the past. And have you ever had a yes, no, maybe question on a quiz? I mean, wouldn't that make you nervous? I mean, are you supposed to pick maybe? Anyway, I will also need you to indicate which is the correct answer. Now you can do that by underlining that choice, making that choice a different color, or I don't know, you can get creative if you want, but make sure that I can tell which is the correct answer. So in Schoology, I have, it's all bundled up. There is the article itself. There is a doc which you will make a copy of and make your quiz right on that. And I also made an audio recording of the article in case that helps you out. And if you want to listen to the audio recording while you're here in class, please use some headphones. Now, I'm not just having you do this to make my workload easier, although that is it's a nice bonus. Now, if I said, hey, we're going to have a celebration of knowledge on this article called Why Stories Matter, so study. Probably the most common way people would study for that type of celebration of knowledge would be to reread the article. Maybe just skim the article. Maybe not reread the article and just rely on hope. When you make a quiz, you're taking another look at the information. You're deciding what is important, what you think the professor, instructor, teacher may think is important, and building a question from there. You're interacting with the article a whole lot more than if you just skimmed it over again. And I've done this kind of activity in the past too, even with articles that I've already made a quiz for. Like my quiz that I made already exists, and then I'll have students also make a quiz, and you would be pleasantly surprised as to how many of the questions were virtually the same. So when you're coming up with multiple choice questions about this article, anticipate what kind of things I would include in a quiz on this article. Because what I will be doing is taking all the student-made quizzes and I'm going to be picking the things that I like out, and I'm going to create a celebration of knowledge from the work that you do on this assignment. So if you want to increase the chance that you know the answer to a question, be the one that creates that question. So just reading the article takes about 12 minutes, so that's almost half the class. So I am going to give you 2 days to get this assignment done. You'll have today, Thursday, and you'll have Friday too. I don't think you'll need all of Friday, and I may try to sneak some other things in there Friday as well. Nothing too big, because I know we might be in for a bit of a time crunch. So we'll see how this goes. I will be making a real brief video for Friday's class, even though most of it is just an extension of today. So yeah, of course you gotta show up tomorrow. What, you're not gonna show up for your favorite class tomorrow? Oh, you didn't. I know you didn't say that this was your favorite class. It's okay. You didn't have to. Bye for now.